Hello, we are Andreas Beyer and Holger Hefner. Our job is the customized planning, production and installation of precast concrete elements and facades. And what that looks like, let's take a look. We start every project with meticulous technical planning to ensure that everything fits perfectly right from the start. We take individual requirements into account and liaise closely with architects and clients. The technical development of the individual plans and the detailed coordination of the designs are carried out in our own technical office. This is where the workshop and assembly plans are created, which form the basis for successful realization.
Haben wir die passende Lösung gefunden?
Once we have found the right solution, it is translated into components and formwork constructions. 2 points are crucial here: efficiency and precision. State-of-the-art digital systems enable us to produce customized formwork in a short space of time. Among other things, we use our new 5-axis CNC milling machine, which guarantees consistent quality even with a high throughput. Outside, we have extensive storage areas for various types of sand and gravel. This is the perfect prerequisite for producing very special types of concrete in our own mixing plant. This means we are independent of external suppliers and can also produce small quantities of customized concrete. To achieve optimum results, we are able to mix the individual components to within a few grams. This results in a material that ultimately fulfills exactly the expectations that were defined in the planning phase. Our digital project management system ensures that special installation parts flow into production just in time, and our in-house storage system ensures smooth and efficient work preparation. The bucket conveyor with automatic control enables efficient transport of the concrete to the production areas. Despite all the digital support, a good portion of craftsmanship is still required in our production. That is why we are happy to be able to rely on a team of long-serving employees. When stripping the formwork and lifting out the parts, it becomes clear whether we have worked properly in the technical planning. If all eventualities and anchor points are correctly calculated in advance using 3D planning, even asymmetrical parts hang straight on the crane. All work steps are checked and digitally documented to ensure the quality of the components. This transparent system creates clarity for all parties involved for open to-dos and ensures that all necessary work steps have been carried out and are completed on time. This is followed by the final production step. By applying surface finishes such as hydrophobization, we reduce water absorption and thus increase the durability of the concrete components. This protects the concrete surface from the penetration of chloride ions and other harmful substances. Our finished parts logistics are linked to production via an ERP system, so that each component is scanned when it is put into storage, and the exact storage location is assigned. This procedure ensures that the right part always arrives at the construction site at the right time. The next step involves mastering very special challenges. This is because the finished parts cannot simply be driven to the construction site. Our in-house dispatcher plans the transport in close cooperation with the freight forwarder to ensure efficient and timely delivery. We also take into account special permits and special route requirements such as bridges, subways, or specific times when such transport is permitted. In many cases, it is also necessary to find a solution to bring the components to the assembly site. This is because the lorry cannot always drive up directly. The concrete parts are delivered in the assembly position, that is upright. This protects the components, saves time and optimizes the efficiency of the assembly teams. We transfer the data from the technical office precisely to the facade using a digital measuring device. This allows us to precisely determine the installation points and, if necessary, react to structural tolerances. Fireproof insulation is installed between the wall and the facade to ensure the highest safety standards. We also have to take this into account in our planning. Close quality controls guarantee perfect installation down to the last screw. This is because there is often only a few millimeters of leeway for fixing our concrete elements. At this point, technical expertise is absolutely crucial. After all, it takes a great deal of calm and experience to position the elements, which weigh several tons, and secure them permanently. This combination of many years of experience and state-of-the-art digital systems cannot be taken for granted. As a result, we are able to realize projects with maximum efficiency and reliability. We would also be happy to work with you